Before you place another trade, watch this. This simple pocket option strategy can help you avoid bad entries and focus only on setups that matter. I'll explain the rules step by step and show you live examples, so make sure to watch till the end. This is not financial advice and the video is for educational purpose only. Make sure to like and subscribe if you gain any value from this video. Let's go. Okay, I think I found my first opportunity. Let's go. So I just took a trade with the buyers exactly at the demand area for 1 minute. Make sure that the timer is on 1 minute flag mode. So let's see how this trade closes. Okay, that was a win, and the reason was very simple. Let me draw everything so that I can explain why I took this trade. So these are trend line breakouts. So we have a trend line breakout strategy in detail. I'll leave the video, the full breakdown, in the top right corner or in the description. So we broke the demand area right here, and I waited for the market to come back to the demand area. Once it did, I took a trade and we won the trade. We also have a very clear uptrend, giving us extra confidence to take this trade. So if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and like. Also, you can leave a comment, maybe leave a heart emoji, and make sure to follow me on Telegram. And if you're interested in guidance, we have a mentorship, so check everything out in Telegram. So let's look for another opportunity. I think you have an opportunity right here. Let me take a trade with the buyers. Okay, I just took a trade with the buyers, and let me show you why. So we have this demand area right here. So the market came to our demand area and I took a trade. We also have a double bottom down below. Okay, looks like we are going to lose this one. Okay, let's wait and see. Okay, that was a loss. So that was a losing trade. Okay, I didn't check the bigger picture. So if you look closely, okay, I've talked about this before. So we have a channel. So the market is moving inside a channel, and I've talked about this in my previous videos. You don't enter in the middle of a channel, so you should always. So this was a good example, and it was my fault that I didn't check where the market was coming from. So as you can see, I'm expecting the market to come down, so I wasn't supposed to take it here. I'm expecting it to come up to this point right here. So I didn't look at that, and that is why I lost. So make sure to be very, very careful while. So I just saw this double bottom and thought that the market wanted to go up. So you should always look at the bigger picture. So let's look for another opportunity. This happens and you should not beat yourself up. So let's look for another opportunity and make up for the loss. Okay, I just took 2 trades. Oh my god. Okay, I wanted to take the trade exactly on the horizontal line, but I'm not worried about this one. I'm sure that all my 3 trades will be winning trades, because as you can see, you have sellers present. So if it was coming at the point at this, like if it was getting to my supply area on this candle right here, I wouldn't take 3 trades, because as you can see, we have very strong buyers right here. But after this candle, we see that the buyers are becoming weaker and weaker. So I was very confident about this trade. And also, as you can see, we have this double top. We also have a very strong, okay, all three trades were winning trades. We also had a very strong area that was broken. So this support right here just became support. So I mean, this support area right here just became resistance. And in my previous video I talked about this, and we can take trades confidently in such situations. So that will be it for today. So it was a bit of a struggle finding good opportunities, but we still made profit, and I'll stop there for now. So see you in the next one, guys. Bye.